If you're an email marketer, a digital marketer, an affiliate network marketer, or entrepreneur of any stripe, you already understand both the importance and the power of being able to generate ad traffic on demand. So let's talk about the new Start Page Login Ads Advertising Rolodex. To fully appreciate the Start Page's Ads Rolodex, first you need to know what a login Start Page ad is. In a nutshell, a login Start Page ad is a short promotional message displayed on the login or homepage that introduces a product, service, or feature as users and members are logging in. Just a few benefits you'll enjoy as you deploy login Start Page ads advertising are: the ability to reach users at the start of their inquest, which creates instant and more visibility for your offers, and obviously increased engagement and conversions, and cost-effective ad spends for generating traffic. Inside of the new Start Page Rolodex is a variety of sites, collectively visited by tens of thousands of digital entrepreneurs from all over the world, individuals just like yourself looking to spread the word about their own products and services. And now the Rolodex, which can double as a funnel system, makes it possible for you to literally greet them at the front door, preferably with offer and services that complement their existing ventures. And because we understand your reluctance to drop your name and email in yet another page full of undeliverable promises, we're sending you right to the source. Visit instantleadandcashsystem.com. Vet and unlock your Start Page Login Ads Rolodex today.